Hello folks, welcome to another episode of Hunting Down Hot Wheels in Toronto. Today we will be hunting in Walmart. So this Walmart we have never been before. This is in Shepherd. So right off the shelf I can see a bunch of fantasy cars, but we will dig right in to see if we can find anything. So far there are some factory fresh, the Gordon Murray, a couple of new to 2026 AKs, but we'll take the only BMW for the day. Other than that, we have checked if there's anything good. They have this 80-year anniversary of Mattel, which is not bad, pretty sleek. In terms of premiums or silvers, I'm not seeing nothing interesting. Mostly peg warmers. There are some Mario Kart series as well. I can see Mario there as well. Apart from that, fast wagons, some Lancias, no chases, but they have these diorama sets which are, I think, Datsun. Yep. But the prices are $45. I will check back again if there's any sale, and also they have this the Walmart truck if you're interested. 143, nobody really cares. They have Aston Martin Vantage and other things. Lots of Formula One restocks. I can see it's now everywhere. And I was hoping there's some Ferraris, but none. So for the day, only BMW. See you in another episode. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.